Here is the question. You see in this question px is greater than 0. So to choose the right option, here we will use a trick. And you see here the differential equation is of second order. So to keep the calculations simple, we assume that px equals to 1 constant function, because this is easy way to get the correct option. 1 is greater than 0. Here in the question it is given that px is greater than 0. So px equals to 1. This means that px is greater than 0. Now put px equals to 1 in this differential equation and let us write y double dash x plus px. We have assumed px equals to 1, so here will be y dash x minus yx equals to, according to question, this is a 0. Now corresponding to this differential equation, we write an equation. We write m square here for second derivative, and here is the first, so m, and here will be minus 1 equals to 0. Let us write the roots of this equation, and this will be minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2, and the solution of this equation will be a constant c1 e to the power minus the first root, and thereafter we write a second constant and we write the second root here, you see, by 2. Now in the question it is given that ya and yb both are 0. So ya should be 0 as well as yb also should be 0. So this means that c1 e to the power minus 1 minus root 5 bracket 2 into a plus c2 e to the power minus plus root 5 by 2 a, this should be 0, and c1 e to the power minus 1 minus root 5 bracket by 2 plus c2 e to the power minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, this should also, here will be b, at the place of x, here will be x, at the place of x we have to put b this time, and this should be 0. And these are exponential function. So exponential functions are never equals to 0, always positive. So the only way is that we have to assume c1 equals to c2 equals to 0. If you take, suppose, c1 equals to minus c2, then even then you are not being able to get 0, because the power, you see, the powers are different. So c1 and c2 both must be 0, and if you put in this c1 and c2 both 0, then yx is going to be a 0, and so our correct option, you see, is a is our correct option.